Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us today. I have got a very short video demonstration that will show you how to add shipping price on Wix. So how to edit the shipping price for your store items on Wix. To do that, you'll need to be on the dashboard for your website, and then you'll go to the settings option down near the bottom of the list here on the left hand side. Give that a single click and then you'll see that you've got a option on the top of my page anyway. It's the third option across from the top row, shipping and fulfillment. So if you give that a click, what you'll first need to do is make sure that your shipping regions are kind of what you need them to be. So obviously I'm based in the UK. It might not be obvious to some of you, but that's where I am. And then if you were kind of shipping your stuff for the rest of the world as a flat fee, that would be fine. If you need to add another region, there's a tool to do so there. Obviously that's quite simplistic. It takes you through it step by step. You can add a destination from a list of drop downs there. You can decide what the shipping is, whether it's a flat rate or by weight or by price, depending on the amount of items purchased or however you need it to be. Give it an option name, local delivery, and then obviously the rate here. Obviously time in days you can add there, and the rate is there as well. And so the first thing would be to ensure that you've got the correct amount of regions. Once you've done that, then obviously it's per region. Okay, so the rate for the UK as a flat fee would be set here. So back into your shipping and delivery dashboard, and I'd just hit the edit button for each region to make sure if you need to modify those or access or edit them at any point, hit edit, and there you go there. So if you wanted to kind of in 2 days and ensure that you've got a flat rate of maybe we'll say £5, and that'll happen in 2 days, and that will be it then. Okay, and ensure that you hit save in the top right hand corner as well. Give it a name as well. Okay, and there you go. As you can see now, that's updated, and the flat rate for the UK is now £5, and you can edit that at any time and access the same settings for each region that you've got there. And that concludes our video tutorial. If you need professional one-on-one custom support from Wix experts, then click the link in the description below. Even if you need a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, the support team of Wix web developers is here to help you. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and subscribe for more website tutorials, as well as comment below if you have any video requests for future videos. Thanks.